Milo's ABC Treasure Hunt by Kids Storytime Tube. Milo the Monkey found a treasure map tucked in a tree branch. He unrolled it with wide eyes. It's a treasure map, but the trail is made of letters from A to Z. Letters that lead to treasure? Let's go, Froggy croaked excitedly. Pete squawked, an alphabet adventure. Let's follow every clue. A is for archway. They reach a giant vine shaped like the letter A. Milo said, A is for archway. Let's swing through it. B is for bridge. Next, they find a bamboo bridge with a B at the end. Froggy croaked, B is for bridge. Hop across carefully. C is for cave. Behind a curly vine, they see a C shape in the shadows. C is for cave. Let's tiptoe inside. Milo looked inside. The cave glows with sparkly rocks. But no treasure, just the next letter clue, said Milo. D is for drum tree. A hollow log shaped like the letter D sits in a clearing. Milo drumming. D is for drum. Boom, boom, boom. E is for elephant tracks. Giant E-shaped footprints lead them through the mud. Froggy croaked. E is for elephant. Let's follow the trail. F is for feather field. Colorful feathers float in the air, forming a big F in the air. Pete, flapping his wings, said, F is for feathers. Let's fly through. G is for giant leaves. They crawled under glowing green leaves in a G shape. Milo giggled. G is for giant. These leaves are huge. H is for hut. A happy little hut stands on stilts with the letter H on the door. Froggy jumped high. H is for hut. Let's peek inside. I is for inchworm. An inchworm inches along a branch, wiggling in the shape of an eye. Pete squawked. I is for inchworm. So small, so clever. J is for jungle vines. The vines swing like the letter J. Milo swinging yells, J is for jungle. Hold on tight. K is for koala carving. They find a tree with a K carved next to a cuddly koala. Froggy croaked. K is for koala. He's guarding the clue. L is for ledge. They tiptoed across a leafy L-shaped ledge. Pete squawked. L is for ledge. Don't look down. M is for mountain path. A mountain ridge curves like an M. Milo said. M is for mountain. Let's climb it together. N is for nest. They spot a big nest and the letter N made with twigs. Froggy croaked. N is for nest, full of shiny eggs. O is for oasis. A clear blue pond in an O shape sparkles in the sunlight. Pete squawked. O is for oasis. Let's take a quick splash. P is for peacock feathers. Peacock feathers fall from the trees, forming a perfect P. Milo said, P is for peacock. Look how bright they are. Q is for quail trail. A tiny quail leaves a Q-shaped trail in the dirt. Froggy croaked. Q is for quail. They're leading us forward. R is for rainbow rock. A rainbow shines over a giant R-shaped rock. Pete squawked. R is for rainbow. The colors are magical. S is for stream. The winding stream twists like the letter S. Milo said, S is for stream. Race you to the bend. T is for tree trunk tunnel. They crawl through a fallen tree trunk in a T shape. Froggy croaked, T is for tunnel. What's on the other side? U is for underpass. A curvy U-shaped underpass takes them under twisting roots. Pete squawked, U is for under. Let's duck and go. V is for vines. 2 vines dangle in a V shape. Milo squealed, V is for vines. Grab on and slide. W is for waterfall. Water spills down in waves that shape a giant W. Froggy croaked, W is for waterfall. Let's jump across the stones. X marks the spot. In a sunny clearing, sticks form a huge letter X in the ground. Pete squawked, X marks the spot. We're here. Y is for yawn tree. Near the X is a sleepy tree with droopy branches shaped like a Y. Milo yawning. Y is for yawn. We've come so far. Z is for zipper vines. Zigzagging vines crisscross like a Z. When they pull the vines apart like a zipper, inside a glowing chest are sparkling letter blocks, golden alphabet coins that shines with every letter they just followed. Milo said, We found the treasure and every letter too. Froggy croaked, Learning the alphabet is the greatest adventure. Pete squawked, Let's do it again tomorrow. And from that day on, the jungle was full of new games, new words, and endless treasure hunts because the alphabet was the key to discovering everything. Subscribe for more of Milo and his friends' learning adventures.